everybody, Shannon here. So my goal from last week was to 1. Finish the first 9 steps of the machine. Number 2 is to be more careful with the dominoes because I wasn't careful last time. And 3 was to change the method of starting the Rugover machine because it was way too hard last time to get the phone working. I ended up changing the entire thing, so let me show you guys. Here's my machine. So the ball will roll down into this tube, and the lever will activate the dominoes, which will turn this helicopter, and this cup will fall down, and this piece of Jenga will move out of the way, and the car will come and hit these dominoes. As you can see, I hit all my goals, and my goals for next week are 1. To make the first 12 steps of the machine. 2 is to think of what the machine will do in the very end, because I haven't thought about it yet. And 3 is to maybe show bloopers, because everybody else shows them, I should show them too. So that's it for this video. Thanks everybody.